Hello guys, it's Bro back with another video. The upcoming feature is going to be about the new content type in Confluence. They're being called folders. Now you all know that the organizational structure in your Confluence spaces are based on the parent and the child pages. Now the thing is, what is actually happening in here, and that this beta, so the beta is being launched in late June or early July. Now the very first thing is that the users, when this content type will be available, they can create folders from the create screen. So that is something that you're going to be able to do. The thing and the problem here was that whole organizational structure, right? So that is kind of really something that is confusing the users, right? Even though that there is really like a tree node, right? So it's really shown, let's say, what is the main branch and the sub branches below it. And imagine having, let's say, 10 of those structures. So the thing is, the main problem was that the Confluence parent page model, they were actually doing good, and they provided the Confluence users with more flexibility, relationship visibility, and they would have gotten from a more traditional folder construct. However, the addition of new content types to Confluence has really stretched parent pages out of their comfort zone. What this means, what kind of content types, right? So you have pages, you have blogs. Now you also have white spaces. You're gonna have white spaces. You're gonna have databases, and you're also gonna have smart links. Now those are 5 content types that are gonna be in there, and this creates a problem, right? So in order to actually solve this problem, to have everything together in one place, to have this structure, there is an idea of creating the file management, which will provide the user with the alternative way to organize their content and manage permissions. So folders are being introduced. So this will exist. So it says this will exist as native content type within Confluence. What is the functionality and the behavior similar to other existing content types? So these include but are not limited to existing in the tree and being able to be created from the create button. So the permission model for folders will also be the same as the existing parent-child permission model. That is, any content in folder will inherit view permission from the view permission of the folder. So this is actually how is it going to look like. So you're gonna have page, you're gonna have a whiteboard, smart link, and also you're gonna have a folder. So it says the changes are very similar to those associated with the introduction of whiteboards, databases, and embeds to Confluence. So the adjustment needed to your apps may be similar as well. Of course, the another change will be geared towards the APIs themselves, and some of the endpoints are gonna be in here as well. So this is actually pretty good. So the thing is, we're just now waiting for this to be live so we can actually see how this actually works and Confluence, how we can actually leverage this. But the main idea and the main solution that is solving this problem is having this organizational structure for the pages and for the content types. So that is actually pretty great to have in mind with these folders. So it's going to be really exciting